Let's unbox the OtterBox Thin Flex Series for the Galaxy Z Flip6. I have my Z Flip6 right over here in the carbon black color. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and test it out and see how well it protects. Now with any OtterBox that you purchase here, you wanna make sure that you always register for the limited lifetime warranty. But other than that, I'm really excited to see what this case looks like. Now this is supposed to be a thinner version of their Defender series. For those that don't want all that bulkiness. All right, here we have the case here. We do have instructions on the inside letting us know exactly how to install it, but don't worry guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, so this is a thin series here. It's going to come in two separate pieces here. It's very thin, as you can see. The biggest difference here is that it doesn't come with a hinge protector, as you can see there. Now to install this case, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the top piece, and we're going to notice some adhesives all around the case here. So there are some tabs, so we just have to lift each one up. All right, and on the bottom piece here, we have some more adhesives on the bottom here. Now this is to ensure that the case stays on the actual phone. All right, so we got every single side. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our Z Flip. I'm gonna open it up, and then we're gonna grab, let's say, the top piece here, and we're gonna start applying it. Wanna definitely angle it here. Kind of angle at each corner, and gently press it in, and push it in as well. All right, so we got the top piece going. Now we're going to do the bottom piece. Same thing, we're going to angle it on the bottom and apply pressure on one of the corners and kind of like push it in. Just apply pressure all around, because remember you have the double-sided adhesive, and after that then we're pretty much good to go. So taking a look around the case here, as you can see here, there's no hinge protector here, which normally adds additional bulk on this side. You can see it retains the beautiful hinge. So when you open it here, you'll notice that it's gonna be basically completely flat. So if you were to put it down, it's pretty much flat. And the same thing's gonna go for the top piece as well here. You're gonna notice you're gonna have the same appearance when you open up the flip. You'll see it's very perfect over here. Very subtle. I like how this case feels so far. Now taking a closer look around the case here, starting with the top here, we notice a nice opening for our Type-C port, precise openings for our microphone and speaker grills. And overall, this case is a very nice and black color. You'll notice the OtterBox logo right over there. And finally, you have a nice opening for your side button here. Of course, you have your fingerprint sensor as well. And you have rubberized button covers for the volume rocker, and it is very precise. Now you have a nice opening for the screen. As you can see here, everything's going to function perfectly. Now this does not come with a built-in screen protector, so you can always apply a screen protector before you apply this case, in case you want to have full protection. Looking at the back here, it's very basic, very simple. It's in a nice matte color. Nothing screaming in your face, so I do like that a lot. Also like the folding mechanism over here. Because you don't have a hinge protector here, it's just more fluid. It kind of feels like you don't have a case at all, which is really nice. Now I do like the fact that the bezels of this case are raised a lot higher than the screen and the camera of the Flip, so if it's ever dropped on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about it getting scratched or dinged. And overall, this is a nice solid case for those that are looking for a case that doesn't take up so much bulk. I mean, OtterBox also has a Defender series for this, and it is bulkier. I want to say this does add bulk to it, but because you don't have that additional hinge sticking out, this makes it more easier to hold and easier to travel with. So if you guys are looking for a case that is very minimalistic, very simple, then definitely check out the OtterBox Thin Flex Series. I really like it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Firewolf out.